I'm Romulo from Maze Construction.
I have improvised a little lippage here. It's like a curb because it's a zero entry. To make sure the water stays here, I normally leave the water inside of the shower pan for 24 hours just for safety and make sure there is no leakage, nothing. And then we're ready to start tiling. Okay, here we go again. After 24 hours, the water stays in. We got no leaks, which is good. Now we're good to go to start installation of tiles. Okay, another part complete. We have all the corners in. Now I'm jumping for the main walls, which I'm doing a half wall outside of the wet area, and on the wet area I'm gonna do all the way up to the ceilings.